Phuluni Constituency along ki ongdung Congress asok bui kangraipon. Saint Thomas A School along Silver Jubilee Katalon Pon. Borjan ASDC Youth Front Lapen KSA Asong atum penpen Pherangke Amei kangni pon.
Kardom Inglong Birta Penili Sami Moniram Teron P non Birta P pen archuponikta.
Pini Phuluni Hemrongrang along Songwe Mate Independent Pen Thong Teron Pen Mass Joining Amei Deng Ponsi ki ongdung Phuluni Constituency aradatum Labangso Amei along Chirap Chito Dunsi Congress Pen Bang Pharo Sase Abang Phu Bang Piatum Songwe Pen Karjabdun Thong Teron along Chipa Okdunlu Laso along Congress General Secretary Lipson Kro Sitame Songwe along Chingbe Dulu Phuluni Pen Arun Intikithar Report Inglong Birta
Haji Phuluni Hemrongrang Hor Bitarat Mas Joining Ora Bani So everything permission of caption Hongpat Melot Jugedi Karbi Anglong Aphan Rice Hotel Noi Anturit Hakuluke Moi Abhinandan Janaisu Kardom আজি Phuluni Nirbolo Partik Hisabat Kebijakan Kora Parti Hisabat Kebijakan Kora Haru Jadi Mas Joining Kita Mel Holdese Ei Melot Trinamool Kongresor Kora 2000 সদস্য আমাৰ নিৰ্দলীয় প্ৰাৰ্থীৰ লগত সামিল কৰিছে জইন কৰিছে আৰু বিজেপি সদস্য প্ৰায় কেন্দ্ৰমান জইন কৰিছে আৰু কংগ্ৰেছটো এটা সেট অথবা Phuluni সমষ্টিত গোটেই সেটটো কংগ্ৰেছে আমাক জইন কৰিছে এতিয়া চব জইন কৰি হোৱাৰ পিছত আজি এটা সমাৱেশ পাতিছোঁ এটা মাছ বিহু হিচাপে আপোনালোকে দেখিছে হাজাৰ হাজাৰ মানুহ খাইছে আৰু আকৌ TMC পৰা আৰু 2000 আহিব বুলি TMC জেনেৰেল ছেক্ৰেটাৰীয়ে কৈছে আৰু যদি পুনৰ আকৌ যদি আহে যে তেনেকুৱা মাছ জইনিং প্ৰগ্ৰামটো আকৌ হ'ব বিচাৰৰ প্ৰাৰ্থী জনাম মাতি এতিয়া আকৌ সংবাদ মাধ্যমৰ বাৰনৰ Phuluni সমষ্টিত হিচাপত প্ৰতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা বুলি কোৱাটো হ'ল যে মোৰ লগত প্ৰতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা কৰিব কিন্তু বিজেপিয়েও মোৰ লগত প্ৰতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা কৰিব নোৱাৰে আৰু বিজেপিয়েও কমচে কম নাই হ'লেও মোৰ লগত 50% ভোট কমিব মই নাই হ'লেও মই বিপুল বহুত লৈ মই আশাবাদী আৰু মই ডাটা যিটো কালেক্ট কৰিছোঁ পাহাৰীয়া এৰিয়াৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি বৰবিল উত্তৰ বৰবিল আৰু 28টা PS গোটেই PSত আমি 70% 60% আমি ভোট পাম বুলি আমি আৰু 100% মই জিকিছোঁ আৰু 100% জিকিম আৰু বিপুল ভোটৰ পৰা আমি দিছোঁ
Pini aru ni phaing corner cap arni ada por final capen pangcheng ponsi pini kecheng si arani paman ponlo Labangso Katalon along Karbi kan barim ritnong chingdi lapen ason alun kan lo Charlie auso maratumpen peklang ponlo Lapen kurusar kimi kamson Teron aphan kurusar bat ponpen archo ponlo Lapen lahin pen nang kacetong dun aperestin do anta Karbi apoho pen manpeng chipi pon Lapen hirjume hang ponsi pini kecheng si arani mesen pen pachun ponlo Hidipi pen harsing Teron report Inglong Birta Pini Borjan Arlo ASDC Youth Front Lapen KSA Asong pen Pherangke Amei ponlo. Labangso Amei along chepahemphu lake Lipson Kro ASDC Youth Front Borjan Constituency incharge Lapen Moniram Teron KSA Central Committee Publicity Lapen KSA Central Committee Members Lapen ASDC along kacherap atum penpen Pini Pherangke Amei ponlo. Labangso Amei along kinang sot akemang mate main aims and objective lake Karbi Anglong Aphan Hemprek mate autonomous state kevangji aphuthak ningje ponlo. Lapen kedam tang BJP Asong pen Karbi Anglong Aphan Hemprek kevangji pupen nang chobai ajok. Lapen Borjan Ahavar along development kevangji aphan rat atum aphan nang chobai ajok Pini Pherangke Amei ingni ponlo. HDP pen Harsing Teron report inglong kiria berta.
Arni ratna singwang lo dokmuka along alangli BJP sarkar phanang pahainot hemprek nang tipu putsi alangli itum Karbi Anglong arat phanang kacica nilitum Karbi Anglong arat atum nilitum difudan ditum Karbi Anglong difudan itum BJP sarkar phan pahailo lapen ke nilitum disputa alangli BJP tum hate pahailo lapen dilhita nitum BJP hate pahailo tangte kopi bolo pini BJP tum promise ting ni datke Labangso nilitum question karikang tum BJP sarkar phan la chota kalilang ato pachuning headlang 2021 anikan India Home Minister Amit Shah Karbi Anglong kevang den go nurak aklamong se alang kevang lo February 18 arni alang li wang lo etum Karbi Anglong arat phan kepa chobai hemprek nang pipo pusi alang li kaningje lo alang li arlo ke dua song drog phan alang li passenger proof aking kok proof lo lapen de bang ke alang li Amit Shah promise alang bang tingni det hola den go long kevang ho bang la chota kalilang ili tum Kedam tang April 28 arni India Prime Minister luring thepilong kiwange ilitum Karbi Anglong sor ikupai kimi voi phis rame hodak India Prime Minister kiwang abangke ilitum Karbi Anglong Aphan Hemprek nange pi alam bange tingna det alang li jongsi aning do na pi bulong te luring thepilong amasi alang li Hemprek ta ilitum Karbi Anglong bhai na pidet nai pidet na yakong do voi phis rame alang li laha pusona lama alang ni ye holada lasi ilit dum neli kipudain pu bangla hello yo ilit dum Karbi Anglong bisa hayoto bisa sormata difuge bang pik setame difuge bang tame ilitum Karbi Anglong ma thangale dawi etum lasuna thapuri kopilo ga alang himoto bisu sormai bai nane song trok man puisa check kiron tang ho la self group han buka kaso kiron tang ho ene puisa check kiron tang ho puge bang nang ni la choda kali lang dak difu fure pen ha bastena
Pini media pen kevang jerpo lapen court itum pan chorolo pini nilitum news fight nang ke enduno po non kevang ji tarik ner kep June tarik ner kep ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen election dopon po lasi on behalf of Borjan constituency on behalf of Karbi Student Association, so we would like to appeal to the Borjan constituency general public to not to vote BJP candidate in these upcoming elections, because as we are all aware that BJP candidate Surjo Rongfer is an opportunist. Why he is an opportunist? We could see his misdeed by announcing to the Naga people who have stayed in the Borjan constituency that he will provide land patas if he wins in these upcoming elections. So through this media, we would like to tell to the general public of Borjan constituency that he is opportunist. He is not here to develop the Borjan constituency or to bring change in the Borjan constituency. And number two is that he is a refugee MSc candidate of BJP. Why he is a refugee? Because he have left his constituency and he ran away from his constituency to Borjan constituency in Borjan constituency to contest these upcoming elections. A person becomes a refugee when his home turf or his home country or his homeland is in trouble, where he doesn't have place to stay. Similarly, Surjo Rongfer have no place in Deopani constituency, because he have lost the credibility of the people of Deopani constituency. That's the reason why. That's the reason he have ran away from Deopani constituency and contesting this upcoming elections in Borjan constituency. We don't need such leaders who is a refugee and who is an immigrant. Those leaders are opportunists. Those leaders are visionless, and those leaders are useless. So we appeal to the Borjan constituency, to the general public of Borjan constituency, irrespective of caste, tribe, or any communities, that not to vote BJP candidate Surjo Rongfar in this upcoming election. Such leaders who is a refugee and who is an immigrant. Those leaders are opportunists. Those leaders are visionless, and those leaders are useless. So we appeal to the Borjan constituency, to the general public of Borjan constituency, irrespective of caste, tribe, or any communities, that not to vote BJP candidate Surjo Rongfar in this upcoming elections, because as we all know that during the tenure of BJP in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils, they have promised many things, like to bring autonomous state, which they have failed in their previous tenure. They have promised to solve the interstate border problems or inter-district border problems, but they have failed in this matter also. Just see the give and take policy. The government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam are planning to resolve the decades-old border problems by taking the initiative called give and take policy. But the people of Karbi Anglong are outraged against this give and take policy. But the previous tenure of BJP government or CM Chuliram Ronghang have remained quiet on this matter. They have not uttered a single word to oppose the give and take policy. So we appeal to the general public of Karbi Anglong and also to the electorates of Borjan constituency not to repeat such mistakes like they have done in 2017's Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils. If they want real developments, if the general public, if the rural peoples, if they want to see the light of development, then we appeal to the public of Borjan constituency and we appeal to the public of Karbi Anglong that to elect the regional party, the candidate of regional party from the ASDC, from the Autonomous State Demand Committee. We have the good examples. We have a precedence. The ASDC have set a good precedence in their previous tenure. They have provided job at free of cost. They have provided land parcels to the general public without paying any huge amounts of money. So we appeal, if the rural people, if the people want depth.